guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I feel so nice that you people are liking my videos, and I'm getting so many messages and calls with respect to my previous videos as to which product to use and how to use this product and from where to buy this product. So I thought I should be making a summary kind of video for all my previous videos so that you will have an exact idea of as to how to use this product individually. So today I'm going to give you a golden principle or a golden rule for maintaining your skincare routine. Trust me guys, this routine I've been following since like 6 months and my skin is getting better day by day. First thing, and second thing is whenever I apply makeup, I don't have any clogged pores and my makeup goes smoothly in my skin. Very nice. I mean, it just makes me feel so nice, and whatever I apply, it doesn't look overboard. So that's another point which I give for this skincare routine. So yes, if you want to know what's this golden rule exactly, then please keep on watching. Before going in further, I would request you to please subscribe that red color button, and there is an bell icon beside the subscription button. Please click on that. By doing that, you will join my gang and you will be notified whenever I come up with a new video. So yes, let's get started. So this golden rule will hardly take 3 to 4 minutes of yours, not more than that. When you have to do this is when you are about to go to bed, like when you're resting and when you're about to rest for the day. Go grab the things whatever I'm going to tell and do this accordingly. You will have a beautiful skin, trust me. So yes, so this golden principle is nothing but cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So we require hardly 3 to 4 products, nothing more than that, and this is available in every store, every online website. You can buy it from everywhere. A small disclaimer before going in, whatever products I'm showing are suitable for me may not be suitable for you. Please do a patch test, and whenever you are buying a product, make sure that you are looking on to the description written on the bottle. So depending upon your skin type, choose the product. So yes, so what I do when I come back home and when I'm about to rest, so I go and get my cleansing milk lotion. So I'm using Ayur cleansing milk lotion. This is a really good product, and I guess this comes for all the skin types, so you can definitely give it a try. I just grab a small amount of product in my palm, rub it and then apply. There is no fancy technique that take a cotton plug then apply. No, I don't do that. We don't have that much of time. So I just quickly apply this cleansing motion, give a 30 seconds of massage, grab a tissue paper and wipe it off. So this is the first thing. Second thing is I go for a face wash, because whatever remaining products is there even after cleansing, so that will be washed away using your face wash. So I'm using right now Neutrogena's Deep Clean Face Wash. This is really very good guys. I've been using this for 5 days and I really love this product, and yeah, it is keeping my skin in a good condition. So this comes for all the skin types. Do check out if you want to buy this. So after going for face wash, next what I do is I spritz the toner. So you know very well the function of rose water, right? So I need not explain more. So use this rose water on your face as a toner, apply it in generous quantity, yeah, and then push the product inside, grab a tissue paper and wipe the extra thing. I mean, you need to just pat it out, dry the skin. So next thing what you do is you go for moisturizer. So this is a divine product. Cleansing, you do cleansing, you do toning, whatever you do, but you cannot go, I mean, away from this product. This is something which you need to try guys. This has changed my skin lot. I mean, I just cannot tell you. My skin was like so much clogged, pores used to be there. Everything is just wiped off because I'm using a good moisturizer. Invest in a good moisturizer. It comes with a heavy price, but then it keeps your skin in a very good condition. Definitely try Cetaphil. This is really good, and this video is not sponsored by Cetaphil. I just love this product a lot, and I thought this product itself needs a great amount of attention. So yes, this is what I do from Monday to Saturday: cleansing, toning and moisturizing without fail every day before I sleep. So this from Monday to Saturday, but then Sunday I include another extra step. So that extra step is scrubbing. So right now I'm using Neutrogena's Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Scrub. So this is a really good scrub. I really loved it. I mean, I don't try much of the scrubs, so I usually go for Everyuth or VLCC's Diamond Scrub, but this one is, I felt much better than this. So I got this as a combo pack along with this Neutrogena. Do check out the website. Right now there's a lot of sale going on. You will like it. This comes in, outside if you go to a store to purchase, you'll have to pay a heavy price, but on Nykaa and I guess Snap or Amazon, you get this in a very cheap price. Do check out. So yes, this is the routine I follow. I follow it very religiously because I love my skin. I love to pamper my skin. I hope you need to take out time, that is hardly 3 to 4 minutes in your day, and do this and have the best skin. Trust me guys, you will definitely like it, and do come back after doing this. Give this procedure a week or 2 weeks time. Don't just like do for 2 days and say that it didn't work. No, it doesn't work like that. Your skin needs to get adjusted, so you need a week or 2 weeks of time so that these products start acting on your skin. And I hope and believe that you will definitely like this product. Please let me know how you like this product by giving a thumbs up, subscribe please, and then share this video with all your friends so that this will be beneficial for everyone. I don't know what has happened to me. I'm speaking wrong words. Okay, anyways, so this is all about my golden principle for skincare routine. I hope you will love this, and do let me know by commenting in the section below. The description regarding the products will be mentioned in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. I'll see you in the next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.